Ask ko lang po, nauuso Alpha Digitech. Wait lang. Let me walk you through my personal process kapag kami nakikita kung bago, like, especially sa Facebook. So, first, Alpha Digitech. So, I type in Alpha Digitech. It says here, Alpha Digitech, Tagbilaran. And then, right-click, open in a new tab. As in, lahat yan titingnan ko. Right-click, open in a new tab, hanggang dito sa baba. I also check yung kanilang website and then Instagram. My problem is, basta nakita ko yung word na uplines, tapos nakita ko pa Universal Alliance na word, tapos nakita ko sa post nila kahit sino pa ang upline and company, nilapatan mo, ayan. Those for me are signs na networking siya. But let's check pa din, di ba? I'm not sure if this is related to them, but this one's in India, so X. Next, meron dito mga posts.
Para kumita ka sa social media account mo kahit wala kang experience, Alpha Digitech of Alpha Online Community. This community helps a lot of people, students, employees, OFWs.
Pag narinig ko yung word na system, it simply confirms it's a networking pagkatapos. The guy showing sports car, the guy saying contact na lang sa Facebook. So I guess it's safe to say based sa nakita ko na this is not a freelance work, hindi siya work from home job, hindi siya online job, hindi siya remote work, hindi siya virtual assistance, it's networking and it's different. So I'm not here to say na hindi siya legit. And again, ang gulo ko, no, hindi siya online work. Siya ay Again, kung member kayo nito, please let me know magkano pong babayaran para maka-join. Ito yung mga tipo maglalabas ka ng pera, meron kang upline, magre-recruit ka ng tao to join. Networking po. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home. Chismis. Bye!